Large dry cloth diaper pail bag for reusable by Hi Baby is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. Finally, a solution where one bag can carry your wet and dry items at the same time while keeping them separate. Each bag has two handles so it can be easily hung on a doorknob and/or carried. The clean or dry items in the front dry zippered pocket, and the dirty or wet items in the zippered wet section, keeping moisture and odors in. It will keep your hands clean while you empty diapers into the washer. Wash the bag right along with your diapers. The manufacturer recommends purchasing 2 bags, so you can rotate them in the wash. Store soiled reusable diapers and dirty laundry. Made of a polyurethane-coated material, pull, that keeps moisture in. Size, 17. 7 inches wide by 25. 2 inches tall. It holds 20 to 25 diapers. 2 handles, makes it easy to carry around and hang on the doorknob or hook to save space. 2 zippered compartments to accommodate your wet and dry items at the same time while keeping them separate.